Hi mummy. I thought I'd do a video now because I'm in the office and there's no one here, so I think. So I thought I'd show you my desk, which is rather lovely. I've got these enormous screens. I've got my laptop there now, but I don't usually, and then I've got a very bougie snack. Where's my coffee? You can't see anything. That's my coffee. I've got a very bougie snack. I've got almond butter on sunflower seed bread, and then I've got an oat milk coffee. So I'm, utilizing all the different seeds and nuts for my food. Very bougie. And I thought I would show you this video that I'm watching because it's so boring. Like, I think the people who write these networking videos, networking like the computer thing, not like the socializing, they haven't got the memo that like computing is cool now, and they've managed to make this video about networking. I mean, networking is inherently like, I don't think it's inherently boring. It's inherently interesting because it's how the internet works, and it's quite complicated and it's very clever. And there's definitely good ways of explaining it that aren't boring. But this particular guy in this particular video, he's got such a dull voice, and he's chosen such dull ways of explaining things, so that it just makes me feel like I'm a weird computer geek. Like, why would anyone like this stuff? But it's because of the way he's explaining it. It's not because of the actual topic. So here you go. I don't know how I'm going to do this.
To add these addresses, we add another header. In the case of Ethernet, a trailer is added as well. This entire piece of data is called a frame. If the two
This entire piece of data is called a frame. It's like, just because you're Australian doesn't make you interesting. Meanwhile, what I'm doing today, I've mainly been coding. I'm just fixing my code. So I submitted some code to what's called a repository, like the Project Q repository. That's the name of the university group that made it, and it's quite exciting because it's my first official submission of code, and I submitted it a couple of weeks ago, and then I've got all these comments and corrections back. So it's a bit like it might have been edited, like if you were writing a book, because a lot of it is like, this is not how we do it. This is not how you use this particular piece of punctuation. That's not the way we do it. So it's quite interesting for me because there's no way of finding that sort of thing out without someone like looking at your code. Also the best bit is that he said it was good. It was good code. He's accepting it. He's happy with it. He just has a few changes for me to make. So I'm doing that. You can see that on my other screen. It looks quite cool and codey. And then in like an hour, I'm going to go into the lab and do some trapping. We're trying to minimize micromotion, which is, I'll save that for another day because it'll be going on for a lot of days. I don't have anything else to say. Earlier, my hair looked amazing. It was like so immense. I'm going to send you a picture, but actually you couldn't even see it in the picture that I took. But I was looking at myself in the mirror for ages because I was like, look at my hair just looks amazing. It looked like yours, mummy, when you had it long, It was very dramatic, it was very curly, it was great. And then I put it in a ponytail for like 20 minutes and now it's gone down to normal, which is still fine, but my hair retains shape like so well, and it's kind of a curse and a blessing. And I know you're going to think that most of the things I said in that video are really boring, but tough, because I'm leading quite a boring life, and that is, only partly my fault. So, I'll talk to you next week, mummy, or in a few days, because you seem to have uploaded a lot of videos already, and I thought we were doing like one a week, so I guess I'll have to up my game a bit. And I'll talk to you soon. Love you.